So I did it right there, right here. I put a post. Right there, I put another fencing post. Right there, I put another fencing post on that end and this end. You don't have to put it in a specific place. You just gotta try to get them on the ends or close to the end where the wind cannot pick up your greenhouse off the ground, lift it off the ground. And okay, and that should do it for the the frame. On the floor, I put some sawdust or wood chip on the floor here and some tiles in the middle so that I can walk on the tiles and it's firm. And somewhere I read that the tiles, because it's hard, it helps keep the heat in the greenhouse. Buckets of water help to keep the heat in the greenhouse. The black absorb heat. And these fencing help the water to go directly onto the ground, and then it falls onto the sawdust or the wood chip, and it absorb that extra water so your greenhouse doesn't be muddy and soak. And oh, all this stuff is just the stuff that I'll use to planting. You can get these free right at one of your grocery store where they have the gardening area. They always give them away free, most of these stuff here. So on the outside, oh, under the tiles is this I forgot what it's called, but this cloth that keeps grass from growing and weeds from coming up. So I think it's called a lawn fabric. On the outside of the greenhouse, to keep the plastic down, I put a 2x4 on top of the plastic, and I drill a hole in the 2x4 and put in one of these metal stakes that you use for cement work. And on the end, so the little plastic doesn't lift up, I just put these bricks. And I did that all around. So this is basically a 16 2 by 4 by 16 piece of board. And this piece of board is like a 7 feet piece of board, 2 by 4. I did the same thing here. This here is a 2 by 4 by 16. You could cut off the ends if you want. I left them on. It's not a big deal. And this fence here is just where I'm gonna add another fence to when I decide to put some of the plants outside of the greenhouse in the summer. And I just put bricks. You can put any bricks down here as long as it keeps the plastic down in the front, so that if you need to get inside your greenhouse, you could just remove the bricks and open up both sides and take anything large inside of there. Some people have doors, but why fix it if it's not broken? The zippers work fine, everything works fine. So, and that's basically how to secure your greenhouse to the ground so that storm don't take it with them, with the storm, so that it doesn't go with the storm. All right, you guys. Basically, I just wanted to show you what I learned so that you can do this too, so you can secure your greenhouse too and have a happy